Today we will discuss what we have discussed yesterday. Continue with the same. We have discussed about the capital account of the partners, how it can be maintained, how it can be present in the books of account of the firm. So there are two methods. First is the fixed capital method and other is the fluctuating capital method. So fixed capital method, we have already discussed with you that in fixed capital method, two account of each partner has to be maintained. One is the capital account, another is the partner's current account. Children, fixed capital account means the opening and closing balance remain the same, does not change. That means fixed capital account. And transaction relating to the salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, share of profit recorded in the partner's current account. We have discussed you yesterday. So there are, under fixed capital method, there are two accounts prepared. One is the capital account, another is the partner's current account. Now children, see the fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method, we prepare only one account, and that is known as a partner's capital account, and all the transactions including the capital balances and the other transactions like salary, interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawing, share of profit and loss, appropriation account, recorded in the other account, that is the partner's current account. But here in the fixed fluctuating capital account, all the transactions are recorded in one particular account, that is known as the capital account. So here is only one account is prepared, and just see the format of partner's capital account, that is the fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating capital account means the balance, that is the opening and closing balance, does not remain the same, it fluctuates. So children, see at the credit side of the partner's capital account, that is a fluctuating capital account, balance brought down. In case of credit opening balance, it may be debit balance also. So if there may be a debit balance, then it will be at the debit side of partner's capital account to balance brought down in case of debit opening balances. Then at the credit side, if partner introduce additional capital, then it will be at the credit side, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit and loss, appropriation account, all will be recorded at the credit side. And at the debit side, if partner withdrawn against the capital, then withdrawn against the profit, then interest on drawing, then share of profit and loss, loss of profit and loss, it will be recorded at the debit side. Now children, see the pictorial depiction of the methods of maintaining partner's capital account with items debited and credited. See children, partner's capital account, there are two methods. One is the fixed capital method and another is the fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, further there are two accounts of each our partner has to maintain. First is the capital account, another is the current account. Capital account, only balance of capital has been transferred, so opening and closing balance remain the same. But there are two transactions. If they occur in the business, they will be recorded in the partner fixed capital account, and in that case, this partner fixed capital account will not remain the fixed, it will be change, fluctuate. So number one transaction is if that particular partner introduce capital in the mid of the session, or in the same way, if the partner withdraw against their capital, then these two transactions will be recorded in the partner fixed capital account. One is the credit side, that is the introduction of the capital, and debit side, drawing against the capital. Then children, current account. Current account, all the remaining items like salary, commission, interest on capital, share of profit will be credited to the current account of the partners, and drawing against profit, interest on drawing, share of loss will be debited to the current account of that particular partner. So there are two accounts have to prepare under fixed capital account. One is the capital account and other is the current account. Now second method is the fluctuating capital account method. Here is only one account has to be prepared, and as we have seen in the fixed capital account, there are two accounts. So both the accounts, that's a partner fixed capital account and partner's current account, has been merged in the same account, that's a capital account, and all the transaction will be in the capital account, same account. So credit First of all, the balance will be brought down, then further capital, if introduced by the partner, then it will be credited. Then remuneration, commission, interest on capital, share of profit, as usual, which have been credited to the current account, here they will be credited into the partner's capital account under the fluctuating capital account method. Then debit, drawing against capital, drawing against profit, because partner can withdraw the part of the capital and part of the profit. So drawing against capital and drawing against profit. Then interest on drawing, and then share of loss, as they have been debited to the partner's current account. So here, because both the accounts have been merged, so here will be the one account, that is the partner's capital account. Now children, see the difference between fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. First is the basis of account. Fixed capital, two accounts are maintained for each partner, that is fixed capital account and current account. Whereas in fluctuating capital account, only one account, that's the capital account, is maintained for each partner. Frequency of change. Fixed capital account, I have already discussed with you, remain the same, means balance of opening closing remain the same, but in two conditions it will change. That is, the conditions are, if that partner introduce further capital into the business, or the part of capital withdrawn. If, then it will be changed. Fluctuating means change means opening balance, closing balance does not remain the same. So here the balance change with each and every transaction recorded in the partner's capital account. Transferring the transaction. Transaction relating to a capital are transferred to fixed capital account, and the transaction for drawing, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit or loss are transferred to the partner's current account. So here are the two accounts. All transactions, whether for capital or drawing or interest on drawing, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit or loss, are transferred to capital account, that is only one account. Balance. Fixed capital account has credit balance, where the fluctuating capital account, that is the one account, may have either debit balance or may credit balance. Then children, see the difference between capital account and current account. Now basis of difference is the need. Capital account is maintained in all the cases, whether following fixed capital account method or fluctuating capital account method. Current account is maintained when fixed capital account method is followed. Fluctuating capital method, current account is not to be opened. Balance of account. Capital account will always have a credit balance when fixed capital account method is followed. In fluctuating capital account method, may be either debit or may be either credit. Balance of a current account may have a credit or have a debit balance. Both type of balance may be in the credit account, in the current account. Nature. What is the nature of this? In case of fixed capital, capital account balance generally remain unchanged from year to year. It changes when further capital introduced or capital is withdrawn by the partner. Balance of current account does not change when capital is introduced or withdrawn by a partner, because these two transactions are not recorded in the current account, they are recorded in the partner fixed capital account. Transactions. Capital account record the amount invested by a partner in the firm. Current account record the transactions such as drawing, interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, commission, profit or loss, etc. Thank you, children.